Spring is the ideal time to start growing tomatoes, a tasty and healthy vegetable that enriches meals and decorates the garden. With a little effort and knowledge of basic techniques, you can enjoy juicy, homegrown tomatoes all summer long. The first step is to choose a tomato variety that suits your wishes and growing conditions. Consider fruit size, color, sweetness level, and disease resistance. For beginners, determinate varieties are recommended, which grow compactly and do not require much support. Soil preparation. Tomatoes like sunny locations with well-drained, nutrient-rich soil. Before planting, dig up the soil and enrich it with compost or manure. Check the pH value of the soil and add fertilizer if necessary to achieve an optimal level of about 6.5. Sowing and transplanting. Tomatoes can be sown directly in the garden, but in spring conditions it is safer to start with seedlings. The seeds are sown in pots with good quality soil about 6 to 8 weeks before the last frost. Transplant them into the garden when they are strong enough and there is no danger of frost. Fertilization and irrigation. Tomatoes during the growing season require regular fertilization and irrigation. Use a fertilizer rich in phosphorus and potassium, and be careful not to add too much fertilizer. The water must not touch the leaves of the plant in order to prevent the occurrence of fungal diseases. Support and hoeing. In order for the plants to grow upright and the fruits to be healthy, it is necessary to place a support. It can be a fence, a grid, or a wire structure. Regular hoeing of the soil helps maintain moisture and prevents weed growth. Protection against diseases and pests. Tomatoes are susceptible to a number of diseases and pests. Check the plants regularly and take protective measures in time. Use fungicides to control fungal diseases and insecticides for insects. For preventive purposes, you can also use natural methods such as soil mulching and plant repellents. Harvesting. Tomatoes are harvested when the fruits are fully ripe and colored. Be careful not to damage the plants during harvesting. With proper care and a little effort, you can enjoy delicious and healthy tomatoes from your own garden. Growing tomatoes is a fun and educational activity that will enrich your garden and enrich the family table.